Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to stream on Discord. So first of all, open your Discord and open the server where I want to stream, and right now I'm gonna stream my YouTube on my Discord. So I'm clicking on voice channel screen and I'm gonna selecting my YouTube tab from here. And if you want to share or stream audio also, then you have to check this option, share tab audio, and click on share. And here you can see I've started streaming my YouTube on my Discord, as you can see. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.